Namaskar. This is my research paper in reference to the national webinar conducted by Srimati S.I. Patel, Ipkowala College of Education, Petlad, in association with Rate Academy of International Publishing, Mehsana. My title of the paper is Changes and Suggestions in Education in the Context of COVID-19. This is the first time after Second World War that large number of schools and universities are closed due to COVID-19 pandemic. So, what are the changes expected during and after this pandemic? I will give some suggestions. The first change is homeschooling to witness a significant growth. Until the outbreak of coronavirus, only a minority of students, which is said to be only 0.2%, only 0.2% students were taking education at homeschooling. But now, due to this situation, coronavirus outspread, and the number of students is increasing. Number two is teaching life skills needed for the future. The experts and educational thinkers are thinking that what will be the changes after this pandemic. These may be creativity, communication, collaboration, empathy, and emotional intelligence. Next one is surprising innovations in education. There are some innovations which are the talking point now in education. For example, a teacher in Kutch area in Gujarat, he is primary teacher and he is using mic. He sits his home Delhi, and by using mic he give or provide education to all students of that village. Students are at their home and he use mic in high volume. So we can see other innovations also. Innovations are going on in Hong Kong, China, India, in short in whole world. Third one is introduce courses aimed at upskill and reskill. Now teacher and educators will have to use online classes. The use of computer and laptop will be much higher in number. So and we know that many teachers and teacher educators don't have skills to use laptops or online. They cannot take online classes, so they are to upskill and reskill their skills. Third topic is digital divide may widen in future. We can see that there are lot of difference among students on the basis of sociology perspective, economic, religious, but there may be a problem related to digital divide, because the student of government primary schools cannot use laptop due to economic problem, so government will have to provide them laptop. Next, be ready to face multiple disruptions in the market over the next 10 years. So now what problems arise due to or during online classes? Poor students cannot afford, we have discussed it. Second one is there is need of a good platform. schools are using Zoom, WebEx, and Windows. These are the applications, but there is a need of a good application which can be used by students, and uh, but the online classes can affect on health of the students. Uh, Continuous classes may affect on eyes, spines, and it may affect their mental uh, situation also. So these are the points. Thanks for giving me opportunity. Thanks.